Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to restore old, faded or scratched electronics or other plastic devices. Sometimes customers bring their laptops in so messy condition, and after restore it's always like a wow effect. So you can easily increase the price of your work or the value of a device which you want to sell. And sometimes I use this method for my stuff just to make it look like a new. First of all, clean up the surface with some wet napkins, make sure it's nice and clean and let it dry for a few minutes. And here's the secret ingredient. It's a regular silicone oil, which I use for printers, multifunctions and some other stuff. You can also use silicone spray, which is very cheap and widely available. So, next we are going to apply a small amount of silicone oil on the surface and rub it in. Okay, once you get all covered and rubbed in, you can see it looks brand new. And it doesn't feel greasy and oily at all. Silicone oil also provides additional protection against scratches, UV light and dust. It also works for metal. As you can see, the gloss is pretty much faded here, but now it's shining like a new. The difference is so apparent and obvious, but unfortunately it's not permanent coating and it will last for a week or two.